just the rain. Listen. Drops are falling on the window pane, washing down the quiet street again. Sitting in the corner of the room, wrapped inside a comfortable gloom. Coffee in my cup has gone so cold. Thinking of the stories we were told. Everything is painted in the gray. Just another lonely rainy day. The sky is crying all its heavy tears, washing out the silence and the fears. Let it rain and wash the world away. I don't really have a lot to say, falling like a whisper from the sky. I don't even need to wonder why. Let it rain and cover up the trash, knowing there is no way coming back. Just a rainy day. I can hear the water on the roof, a gentle kind of melancholy proof that even when the world is dark and sad, it isn't really always entirely